Creating quizzes manually is honestly one of the most time-consuming tasks. Writing questions, thinking about the answers, making sure everything makes sense, it adds up fast. But what if you could generate a complete, ready-to-use quiz in under a minute? That's exactly what ProProfs Quiz Maker does with AI, and it's kind of insane how easy it is.
If you love discovering tools that make you think, wow, that was easy, you're in the right place. We test platforms, reveal hidden features, and teach you quick ways to boost your creativity, productivity, and your content game.
So let's say you need to create a quiz, maybe for training employees, testing students, or even engaging your audience online. Normally, you'd start from scratch, open a doc, think of questions, rewrite them, check answers. Yeah, it takes time. Now here's where ProProfs Quiz Maker changes everything. You simply go to create a quiz and choose the AI option. Then you type a simple prompt like, create a beginner-level quiz on digital marketing with 10 multiple-choice questions. Besides, you can upload your existing documents, PDFs, presentations, guides, white papers, etc., and easily create quizzes through them. And within seconds, the AI generates the entire quiz for you. Not just questions, but also answer options and the correct answers already selected. And honestly, that's what makes this powerful. You're not starting from zero, you're starting from something usable. Now here's the part most people overlook. AI gives you speed, but you still need control. And ProProfs Quiz Maker gets that. It supports 20 plus question types, Enkeldung multiple choice questions, multimedia questions, and more. Plus, you can choose from expert-led 100,000 plus ready-made quizzes and a question bank containing 1 million plus questions on various topics. Once your quiz is generated, you can quickly review everything. Maybe you tweak a question, adjust the difficulty, or add your own touch to make it more relevant. You're not locked into what the AI gives you. You're building on top of it. And because the base is already done, editing takes minutes instead of hours. So instead of spending your energy creating, you spend it improving. Big difference. Now let's be real. A quiz isn't useful if it's just random questions. It needs structure. It needs clarity. It needs to actually test something meaningful. And this is where ProProfs AI stands out. The questions it generates are structured in a way that makes sense. Clear wording, logical options, and focused topics. And not just creating quizzes, ProProfs Quiz Maker also helps you in offering secure quiz environment with its smart anti-cheating features. So whether you're testing basic understanding or deeper knowledge, you're starting from a solid foundation. And that means better results for you and for the people taking the quiz. Now, let's say your quiz is ready. What's next? With most tools, sharing can be a hassle. But here it's simple. You can send it via email, share a direct link, embed it on your website, or even use it for social media. So whether you're a teacher, a business owner, or a content creator, your quiz is ready to go live immediately. No extra setup, no friction. And this is where everything comes together. Once people start taking your quiz, ProProfs Quiz Maker tracks everything for you. You can see who took the quiz, how they performed, and where they struggled. So instead of guessing what works, you actually have data. And that's what turns a simple quiz into a powerful learning or marketing tool. Now step back for a second. What used to take hours, brainstorming, writing, structuring, now takes minutes, and not just faster, but smarter, because you're using AI to do the heavy lifting while you focus on making it better. ProProfs Quiz Maker basically removes the hardest part of quiz creation, starting from scratch. Try it out, create your first AI quiz, and see how fast it really is. And if you want more tools that save you time like this, you already know what to do.